Sinasabi ko na nakatingin sa akin ng future top-notchers, hindi ko alam kung anong pakiramdam nyo. Pero sure ako na if you believe, you are probably correct. Sure din ako na if you doubt, you are also probably correct. You're actually correct when you doubt, you're correct when you believe. So I want you to be more correct in believing and not in doubting. You will be a top-notcher for the rest of your life and you only have one chance. And this is your chance. And the date is March 17, 2024. Tama? What is your reason to doubt? Tinatanggal ko ang reason nyo to doubt. Kasi kahit 1% lang yan, parang anay ng bahay yan. Isa lang yan, pero lalamunin niya lahat ng confidence mo. At pag araw ng board exam, wala ka ng confidence. Wasak ka na. Hindi yon ang kailangan mong gawin. Kailangan tanggalin mo yung doubt na yon and you move forward because you have a mission to do and you have a goal to achieve. Tama ba yon?